This is how you easily make one perfect cup of coffee. I'm Sean from Seattle Coffee Gear. We are taking a look at the Ratio 4 coffee maker. I really love this machine and think it's really cute, and it makes some really good coffee. Starting off with the design of this machine, it doesn't demand a lot of attention. It's really small, so it can go a lot of places and feel very natural in your home. I really enjoy the water reservoir in this machine. First off, it's removable, so you can just refill it at the tap, top off your water. Secondly, it's flexible in its placement in reference to the machine. Say, instead of on the right side, you need it on the left. You need it all the way behind the machine. You have that flexibility with this setup. Like some of the other brewers from Ratio, this one is also SCA Gold Cup certified, making sure that its temperature is right at that ideal coffee brewing range, giving us a consistent cup every single time. It also has Ratio's signature wide shower screen, evenly distributing water across all of your coffee grounds. This also makes some automatic pour-over applications possible. This machine also features an automatic bloom function, so when you get your coffee going, it's going to pre-saturate all of the coffee grounds, ensuring an even extraction once the brewing process begins. I love that this is a single cup brewer. A lot of brewers are built out to do 8 to 10 cups, and honestly, I don't need that much coffee every day. Sometimes I'm in the mood just for a cup or two. This one is ideal for that. Now that we've talked about this machine, let's go ahead and brew a cup of coffee. So the coffee we're gonna brew today is Rainier Morning Blend from Brandywine Coffee Roasters. This is a collaboration roast they make just for us. It's a really exciting, tasty coffee. As always, we're gonna start by dosing out our coffee. Perfect, a 30-gram dose is what I'm doing today on a medium coarse grind size. Let's get that last bit of coffee process through, and then we add it to our dripper. One last step before we get going is we're going to measure out our water. Going for about 480 grams. Nice. And now we're ready to brew. This machine starts its brewing process with a pre-programmed bloom before it's going to actually get into brewing. Now that our coffee's finished brewing, let's go ahead and give it a taste. We'll pull our server and get our lid on here to help keep it warmer a little bit longer. Pour it right on into our glass. Actually a really nice pour. A little bit drippy, but poured really beautifully. Starting with the smell of this coffee. This coffee's so sweet. It has kind of a cherry note and a sharp fruit aspect to it that I really enjoy. We'll go for a slurp. Fun and well balanced. This coffee is a true medium roast, but has some really exploratory elements to it. We start off with this chocolatey front end that you expect, but then there's that sharp cherry that just shines through. It's a really, really good breakfast coffee. Very, very much enjoy this. When it comes to cleanup of our machine, super straightforward, standard drip brewer here. We're gonna pull our basket and make sure that we get rid of our coffee. And then I also recommend get this somewhere to dry, like a dish rack. I really love brewing on this machine because I don't need that much coffee every time. As a single cup machine, this is exactly what I'm looking for. That's everything on the Ratio 4. What's your favorite way to make a single cup of coffee? Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna keep you up to date on all things coffee brewers, all things coffee actually, and don't forget to sign up for our email newsletter. Thanks again, and keep making coffee you love.